Hello everyone, my name is Junfeng Wang, and this is my reading assignment presentation. It's about self-reflective analysis of writing or translation tools. About this presentation is made about self-reflection on the use of writing or translation tools in my writing, and analyze how I use various writing translation tools and reflect on their effectiveness in achieving my writing goals. This paragraph I wrote for my finance course. Um, is a part of my finance paper. When I finish my paper, and I also need some tools to help me. So the tools I use serve the following five main purposes. The first is vocabulary and language choice. Use a wide range of vocabulary appropriate to the context. Ensure word choice are the best and convey the intended meaning. And match the vocabulary to the audience and the purpose. Avoid the slang or some complex words if they are not suitable. And the second one is sentence structure and grammatical patterns. Use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentence to maintain reader interest and clarity. Ensure correct use of grammar, including verb, subject, verb, agreement, and punctuation. Keep sentence clear and direct, avoiding unnecessary complexity and use of cursive device. Um, use conjunctions, adverbs, and something else to connect ideas smoothly, and use pronouns appropriately to refer back to these ideas or nouns. Um, Repetition and paraphrasing using repetition for impasse and uh, paraphrasing to avoid redundancies while keeping the text cursive. Uh, Organizations and the text development is about average ideas logically with a clear be- beginning, middle, and end. Paragraph structure is ensure each paragraph has um, a clear topic, sentence, and supporting details. And the last one is translation. It ensure the translated text correctly um, reflects the meaning of original. The translation should read naturally in the target language without worked paraphrasing. Consider cultural differences and adject expressions or items accordingly. And this is a table. Is about what I wrote and how I use these tools. You can see, cause I wrote a paper, so I first thing is I wrote Chinese and translated to English. So the the most I use is DeepL. It helped me to use translation, and Quillbot helped me to paraphrase or change some word choice and some sentence structure. And ChatGPT can give me some idea So I added this idea into my paper. This is the second part of the table. Um, so I mostly like to use DeepL and Quillbot, and only a little part I will use ChatGPT. These three tools is I like to use. DeepL can help me with the translation because when I write papers, I first express what I want to write in Chinese and then translate it into English, which can bring me great convenience. And ChatGPT can bring me a lot of new ideas when I write, and I can help me enrich my writing content. And I'll use Quillbot mainly to check grammar and to correct mistakes in my writing. Okay, this part is a short analyze. I offered three questions, and I will answer it in my own opinion. The reason I use this tool is better finish my writing. And these tools can bring a great convenience to my writing, and I even have some dependence on these tools. These tools are very useful to me, and I can better complete my writing and English learning through the help of these tools. Although these tools have brought me a lot of convenience, I think in the future study, I can not rely on these tools so much, and I can have more thinking in the translation part or other parts, instead of directly copying the conclusion given by these tools. Okay, this part is about my reflection. Um, when I use these tools, I should have my own thinking. Using these tools as an tool, and the final article we present should be dominated by my own ideas. I can't rely on them too much. We need to take the good and discard the bad. The advantage of these tools is that they are convenient and quick, and the disadvantage is that they lack human emotion expressions. So how we use them is more difficult to choose, and we should consider why we have to use it. This is a short conclusion about this presentation. I analyzes the different kinds of tools and how I use them, and also on my own use of situation, some analysis and reflections. This is reference I used in this presentation. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.